Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant B5 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace either the half-inch hose or the bag or the HEPA filter in your dust control assembly. Super simple. Take the two clips and pop open the top of the dust control assembly. Take the hose, remove it from the bag, and then remove it from the top of the deck, just like that. Bag comes right out, just like that. Okay, so taking out the HEPA filter, just pull that up like that. It's a lot easier because it's in its casing. Get yourself a small screwdriver and pry it up. And pull the HEPA filter out. Replacing it, just get your new one, put it back inside the casing, just like that. Make it a little bit easier, get your bag and your half-inch hose. And go ahead and put the half-inch hose in the bag first. Slide your bag back down into the dust control housing. And then attach it back down to the deck. And the last thing we need to do is put the top cover back on. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.